Hi, dear parents. I'm here to educate you a little bit because some of you might have moved out of your town seeking admissions for your children into another town where you're going to settle. You may have been transferred from your job to another place where again your children will be required to take up another school for further studies. So I'm here to educate you about how to select these schools. We have seen in a long career spanning 35 years that many of these schools that are very old, 100 years old, 150 years old, they don't show you the infrastructure which is built in by them. They just admit your child, and your child does the rest with the teachers there and with the school management, and you get a finished product out of grade 10 or grade 12, as the case may be. But in different schools that have come up, as you go to meet the clerical staff, a man is put at your service, or a woman is put at your service, or a girl is put at your service, and he or she takes you on a tour to different areas on the school campus. The classrooms, they show you the smart boards, they show you the labs, they show you the library, they show you the music room. But none of this is functional in front of your eyes. You just see them and then you return. And then you make a decision whether you are going ahead with admitting your child or not. You may like the infrastructure, you may not like the infrastructure. But if you admit your child in a school only because you like the infrastructure, you are paying only for the infrastructure, not for the academics of your child. So don't blame the school later on. What you must do is seek a parley with the teachers. Ask which teacher has been teaching here for how many years? Who's going to teach mathematics? How long has he been on the school roads? Who's going to take care of physics? How long has he been teaching or she been teaching in that particular school? Who's going to teach social studies? And how long has he or she been associated with the school? These are the things that you must ask. Where you just see the infrastructure and come back and make a decision, well, this is good, so my child is going to go there. That is not the that is not the criteria for admission. We know that there is trouble. We know that there is trouble. There are too many schools in big cities. They are far away from each other. Ones that are in the center of the city, they are the old ones, and they are doing the best. The rest that they come up, or the rest that are built on the outskirts or far from the center, in or near the settlements of the general public, they have this idea of showing the infrastructure to lure the parents. Don't get lured by the infrastructure. Look for who's going to teach your ward and how long has he been in the job of teaching. Thank you for viewing. And if you implement my suggestion, your child will be a good finished product at the end of grade 10 or at the end of grade 12, as the case may be in that school. Thank you. Have a nice time.